but I'm not going to work because it's Juneteenth and it's the start of a long weekend, so I'm super excited for that. I don't really have plans for this weekend, but today my plan is just make lunch, and I have a new coffee machine that I want to try out, so I'm gonna set that up and I guess like watch anime and play games. I need to wash and go grocery shopping because I don't have anything in my fridge right now. Okay, let's go. This is what I got. Not much. I got soup because I'm running out. Cucumber, thinly sliced pork belly, ground beef, curry, udon noodles, and yellow bell peppers. So this is for lunch and dinner because for dinner I'm gonna make curry, and then for lunch right now there's like this recipe that I saw on Instagram that looks super simple and it's like very summer inspired, so I want to make that. I sliced these cucumbers, but I'm like not the best cutter, so they're like kind of all over the place, like the lengths and everything, but that's fine. Once you're like done cutting the cucumbers, you're basically done. But I'm just gonna grill the pork belly and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna make the noodles and grill the pork belly at the same time. I'm contemplating between these two noodles. I just got this, the udon noodles, and then this is 메밀면. What's 메밀 in English? It's like, I feel like this one is healthier and it's more like summer vibey, I guess. But I'm craving udon noodles, just like thick, bouncy noodles, so I think I'm gonna make this today. While the pork belly is grilling, I'm gonna make the sauce. The original recipe that I found uses soy sauce, like just Korean soy sauce, but I want to make two because it's udon. So I'm just gonna try to make like my own little sauce and just hope for the best that it tastes good. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of soup, 1 tablespoon of starch syrup. You can use sugar if you'd like. I'm gonna maybe try like 0.5 tablespoon and see if it's too sweet. And sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of that. 1 tablespoon of just water. That's way too sweet. Okay, that's perfect. Everything ready. The udon noodles we have right here. The cucumber cucumber slices that I sliced up. Homemade sauce, tzayu sauce, and then the pork belly. So honestly, all you have to do is just mix them all together, but just for the sake of this video, I want to make it pretty. So I'm just gonna start with the noodles. Maybe like not like that. And the cucumber slices. And our pork belly. Now that I think of it, I think I should have used beef, like sliced beef for this, because pork belly is like oil, but this is gonna have to do. As you saw, it's super simple, easy to make, and because of the cucumber and the tzayu, it's very like summery, and yeah, I'm gonna try it. Guys, I just realized I left my phone at the grocery store. Like, I have my main phone, but I brought my second phone, my 10S, to film for this vlog, and I was looking for it to take pictures. Can't find it anywhere. So I looked at found my iPhone, and it's literally at the grocery store. I'm gonna have to go back after eating this and hope that someone's keeping it safe. I already like turned off like the notification and like had the like lost iPhone setting on, so like anyone who has the phone can call me through my main phone. But oh my god, like I can't believe, I think I left it like on the cart, because I had it in the cart and I guess I just left it there. I'm watching Teach a Lesson on Netflix. I don't know if you guys are watching it. It's like really hot in Korea right now. It's about like this person like trying to get rid of school violence, and everyone around me has been telling me that it feels so good to like see the bullies like get what they deserve. But like, it's very fun. Like, the show itself is really entertaining. The thing about the show for me is, so every episode is like a new school, like a new story. Every story, like every episode, the stories just get worse and worse. And it's giving me so much anxiety and so much stress and like so much hatred in my body that even if the main characters like end up solving the problem of the school, it doesn't make me feel good. Like, I'm still stressed. Like, I'm still thinking about that fucking mom. Anyways, if you guys are looking for a show to watch, I highly recommend first My Royal Nemesis. That one's really good. Oh, that actually came out today. Wait, I should actually watch that instead. Because I'm really into Ho Nam-jun these days, the main character of My Royal Nemesis. He's so hot. I got a new coffee machine. The one that I'm using right now, the LE coffee machine, I've been using that for, I want to say like 3 years now, and I liked it. It looks very pretty, it's very minimal, and it makes great coffee. But the only thing is that it had like minor breakdowns, like a lot of them, so I had to replace them like 2 times, and it's broken again. Like, I don't know why. And also the one that I have is a capsule coffee machine, so just uses capsules and not the coffee grounds. But this one, it can do both. It uses capsules and the coffee grounds. So I got coffee grounds from Blue Bottle, my favorite coffee. I'm gonna try setting it up and washing it and everything, and try making coffee with it for the first time. Guys, there's a huge problem. Remember I told you I got this from a Korean website? It's a fucking Korean plug. Oh my fucking god. And I don't have the Korea to US adapter, so I ordered one off of Amazon like right now, but it's coming Sunday. And I also asked my brother if he has one, but he's at work, so he's not replying. But if he doesn't have one, then I have to wait till like Sunday, which means I can have my coffee for like 2 days. I mean, but like, okay, I get that the machine is Korean, but like if you're gonna ship it to the States, shouldn't you have the adapter in the package? I'm just gonna wait for my brother to reply, and meanwhile I'll just continue watching my show, My Role Nemesis. Problem is solved. My brother had one, the adapter. I also went and got the phone that I left at the grocery market, and I bought mochi on the way. Okay, now I'm just gonna plug this in. What do we think? I really like it. Oh my god, that looks gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna try making coffee with it now. Okay, update. It's been a few hours since the last clip. I've been fighting to get this thing to work, but it's not working. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with it. Like, I pressed the espresso shot button and it's just like, it doesn't come out. So I gave up and I'm gonna contact the brand and ask them like how to fix this, but it's the weekend in Korea right now, so I just have to wait till next week. But so I couldn't have coffee, and yeah, so anyways, it's already like 6:10ish, so I have to make dinner. My brother's gonna come over around like 7:30, so yeah. Menu for today's dinner is curry rice, except I'm giving it a twist and we're gonna add tomato to it. And I think in Japanese it's called kira rice. I've never made it before, but a coworker of mine told me about it, so I'm gonna attempt to make one for the first time. It's supposed to not use any water, so you just use water from the onion and the tomato sauce. So I got the boneless tomato sauce because I'm gonna use ground beef, so I think they go well together. And then just the curry cube that I always use. Okay, now that we have our veggies cut, I'm just gonna add them to the pot. So for curry, you're usually supposed to caramelize the onion first, like make them all brown, and then add in like the vegetables and the protein, but I don't have time to caramelize the onions, so I'm just gonna make them all at once. I'm gonna try half the pack. I know I said I'm not gonna use water for this, but I changed my mind. I think I'm gonna have to use water. I don't want to fuck this up because this is my dinner, and I feel like if I don't use water with block curry, it's gonna burn. I'm just gonna use like a half cup of water because I don't have potatoes to make consistency like thick and starchy, so not too much. And it's done, and I'm gonna try one block just to see, because I also have the tomato sauce. Honestly, I have no idea if this is how you're supposed to make it. watching this and thinking like, what the fuck are you making? I'm sorry. I couldn't find like the right recipe for the things that I have right now at home, like the ingredients. So I'm literally just going off of whatever I think will taste good. You just place this on top of rice. And I'm gonna add 1 egg yolk on top of this. This is my version of Kira curry. Okay, I honestly don't even know if that's the real name. I forgot. But anyways, it looks pretty good. 잘 먹겠습니다.
최지선 선생님, 얘기 못 들으셨나 봅니다. 오늘 선생님들 심리 검사 있습니다. 시간 거의 다 됐습니다. 검사장으로 가시죠.
어때? It's a little different.
Very different.
What do you think? You like it?
이번 검사
I like it.
어떠한 불이익도 없을 겁니다.
Tell the camera
솔직하게 작성하시면 됩니다.
how good it is.
I like this.
구체적으로, with detail. What do you like about it?
일단 다진 고기.
다진 고기 맞아.
그 식감과 이런 게 맛있고. 마제소바 알아? 딱 마제소바 같은 느낌이 있어.
일본식이고 토마토를 넣었어.
맛있네.
토마토 소스를.
Yeah, I like it.